As the super admin of your Sapaad account, you can decide who has access and permissions to your POS, add-ons, and other Sapaad modules and features. This ensures that only the right staff member performs a certain task, like voiding an order, sending purchase orders, or managing reports. In this video, we'll learn how to change access rights and permissions in Sapaad. Let's begin. Log into your Sapaad account and go to Setup. Select Staff. Choose any role under Staff Roles. For example, Cashier. Then click Edit Role. Make sure the role has access to the default page you intend for them to have, so they are able to log into their account. Check the boxes for the pages, modules, and features you want your cashier to access, as well as the boxes for the actions you're giving them permission to perform. You can also revoke some of their access and permissions by unchecking the appropriate boxes. When you're done, click Save. And there you have it. You've just learned how to change access rights and permissions in Sapaad. Make sure to check out our video on how Sapaad works in offline mode. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.